All right, we have Marianne here, who is now 8 months into our knee repair, not knee replacement program, reporting 90% improvement of symptoms up to this time. Tell us a little bit about some of the goals that you had with this program, some of the goals that you have achieved, and maybe where you want to see yourself in the next couple of months.
Okay. First of all, less pain. I can go up and down the stairs without pain. I can stand for longer times without pain, and walking too. I used to limp, and I don't limp anymore from the since I've had the surgery. And Zach's helped a lot with the exercise and everything with the PMR. It hurts, but it gets better. So.
And Marianne comes in every day with a motivated attitude. So it's not that she slugs in, drags herself in, no really, and you come in and put the work in, and sometimes it's 45 minutes, sometimes it's an hour, but never have you ask me, hey, let me go early, I'm done, I'm ready. You're always here doing the work, and that's what this program takes. It's somebody like yourself who's motivated.
A lot of work.
A lot of work.
Awesome, great job. And Allison, what were her exact goals? Because I think we have some of this on even video.
Initially, yeah.
Yes.
But what were her original goals?
The exact goals originally were stand for longer periods without pain, exercise more, including Zumba, walking more and hiking more, ambulate the stairs without pain, avoid knee replacement. In terms of her percentage, she did say initially before starting the program that the left knee was at 50%. Her goal percentage was 90%, in which she has achieved.
Great job. And it takes a lot of hard work, but awesome. Team.